Humble greetings to everyone. I'm Astrosrividya. Welcome to Advanced KP Stellar Astrology. Today we are going to explore one of the important topic of yearly marriage. Do you think some people are find their soulmate instantly while other facing some problem for searching their soulmate? Let's look the important planetary and Bhava connection of the yearly marriage one by one. First of all, we see the connection of the Lagna Bhava, because the Lagna Bhava is the blueprint of our entire life. It decided the lifestyle of the person, mindset of the person, the important potential of the entire life is decided by the Lagna Bhava connected Bhavas only. The smooth formula of the life, the Lagna Bhava connected with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11th Bhava means that person get a natural good life, happy life, because this kind of odd Bhava connected with Lagna Bhava means that person easily get a good potential for a good relationship and family setup. So the person married at the correct age and have the baby at the correct age and make the family be happy and happy with the family member and maintain the good relationship from the husband and wife and good father, mother, children. This kind of the relationship become very good in their life, because the Lagna Bhava connected odd number means that people having a good relationship and family setup easily. And other, the Lagna Bhava connected with 6th house and 8th house, 12th house means that people only stuck in this kind of the relationship, because 6th house is the 12th house for the 7th house. 7th house is the Karaga of the marriage life. So, Lagna Bhava connected with 7th house or 7th house supported Bhavas means that people are good in relationship. But the Lagna Bhava connected with 6th house, 8th house, 12th house means that people are having some of the breaks in marriage life and some problems, mismatchings, long time to searching the life partner and the mismatching couples. This kind of problems came for that Lagna Bhava connected with 6, 8 and 12 of connectivity. So that people are easily stuck in on the marriage life by this kind of the Lagna Bhava connectivity. And the important another house is 7th house, because 7th house is the Karaga for the marriage life and 7th house decided the life partner character and marriage life happiness and sorrow. If the 7th house connected with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 level, the odd Bhavas means that person having a good potential to enjoying the happy marriage life and adjustable partner, and they are happy to live their life without any kind of problem. So the marriage life is became a happiest life for a person. No one can reject a person by this kind of the Bhava connectivity. The person also don't reject others always, and the horoscope of the person also cannot be rejected by others by this kind of the 7th Bhava connected with odd Bhava connectivity means. And other, the rejection circle when it will be arrive means the 7th house connected with 2 and 6th Bhava means the horoscope of the person ready to rejecting others by alliance wise, because the 2 and 6th house means the opposite person will be easily get 8th and 12th bhava. So the horoscope of the person ready to rejected others easily, but he is on the side of rejecting position. But if the horoscope of the person horoscope 8 and 12 is there means most of the people are rejecting the horoscope of the person easily. So 2 6 means the people cannot adjusting in the marriage life and rejecting the life partner easily. But the horoscope of the person who 7th house connected with 8 and 12 means the horoscope of the person easily rejected by others. Now we see the role of marriage significator. For a woman, Mars is the marriage significator. For a man, Venus is the marriage significator planet. We see the Mars represent masculine. So Mars is the husband karaha for a woman. If the Mars connected with 8 and 12, the girl got some of the personal issue with their husband and husband family members. Most of the in-law problems are created by the Mars connected with 8 and 12 bhavas only, and the personal life totally damaged. And the Mars connected with odd numbers means the girl know how to handle a critical situation, how to overcome this kind of the problem, and the girl know how to attract opposite gender. So Mars connected with 1 3 5 7 level means the girl maintain a good relationship with their husband and the privacy area. So he overcome all the problem and live the life happily and love and romance with their life partner. Then the Venus represent young girls. So Venus is the wife karaha for a man. And if the Venus connected with 1 3 5 7 level means the person naturally know how to attract a man, how to compromise a woman in the marriage life. So the approaching and the romantic space for a man become easy to adjust their marriage life and maintain the relationship good and maintain the girl happy and lovable couples. So the Venus connected with odd number means the man know how to handle the wife and how to maintain the relationship correctly, stably. But the Venus is connected with 8 and 12 means the man got some of the obstacle, torture in wife and wife relatives easily. For same that the man also getting in-law problems and wife side relative based problems by this kind of the Venus connected with 8 and 12 bhavas base. And we see the sudden marriage phenomenon. Could you see someone searching for a marriage alliance for a long period of time, but if the alliance is clicked, the person will be getting married on just 1 week, one month or 2 months. For this kind of suddenly unexpectation of the marriage arrangements are done by the 8th house connectivity bhavas only. If the 8th house is the karaka for the unexpected event, the 8th house connected with favorable of the 7th house bhavas means the person getting this kind of the unexpected alliance, marriage approaches and arrangement. If the 8th house tightly connected with 7th house from star and subwise, it create unexpected marriage and marriage proposals easily. But the 8th house connected with 6, 8 and 12 means it create a marriage life problems and sudden divorce, sudden the engagement goes to failure. So The connected the negative bhavas for the marriage life is the marriage arrangement will be stopped suddenly. But 8th house connected with 3 7 level means the sudden marriage and easy to getting a good alliance for the marriage life. It will be happen unexpectedly. On conclusion, the 7th house and the marriage significator and the Lagna Bhava connected with 1, 3, 5, 7 level means this kind of the connection make the person's life and get the partner on the marriage life yearly. And the Lagna Bhava, 3rd Bhava, 5th Bhava, 7th Bhava is the same sublord and connected Bhavas is odd number of 1, 3, 5, 7 level means this kind of the Bhava connection wise that people also getting married for a yearly age easily. And Dasabhukti play a major role. Dasabhukti is also connected with same that odd Bhavas of 1, 3, 5, 7 level means that people got a good alliance, good pair on that period easily. So this kind of the connection make a good marriage life. So check your chart yearly for this kind of the yearly marriage connection and comment me on the comment section for your good potential Bhava connectivity. For more this kind of astrology information, subscribe, follow our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.